Okay guys, this is the first demo in this course, and what I'm going to show you is forgot password functionality. So I've got a testing web application here, and let's assume that I have forgotten my password, so I'm going to use forgot password functionality. I'm going to put my email here, david@example.com, right? This is my email, and I just want to receive a password reset link, right? So let me click this, and you see that password reset link has been sent to your email. Okay, that's cool. Let me go to my mailbox right now. I'm going to log in, and so you will see that indeed I have received the password reset link. Yes, indeed it is here, and yeah, the password reset link actually is here, right? So it's inside of the email. So now I'm going to click this password reset link, and I'm going to show you how this automatic leakage of password reset link can happen. So let me click it, and this is what I see. So I'm actually, as you can see, I am asked to enter a new password, right? So it works as intended. But now the question is whether there is some kind of data that is loaded from external domain. And I'm going to show you how you can easily use DevTools to find out if a given, for example, image is loaded from an external domain or not, how you can do it quickly. So basically what we've got right now, we've got password reset link in the URL bar. Please take a look out there. We are asked to enter a new password, and now we've got some kind of image here. We've got some kind of image here, right? So let me use DevTools. DevTools are built into the browser, so I can easily use them to, to quickly learn something about the web application. Right now, I'm going to open DevTools, and I will use the inspector in DevTools, because when I've got inspector, I can move my mouse over a given element, and I can just see the underlying HTML, right? And what you can see here is that this image is loaded from domain silesiasecurity.lab.com. And yeah, so this kind of attack, leakage of password reset link, should happen in this web app, right? Because we've got password reset link in the URL, and this image has been actually loaded from external domain, right? My application, my testing web application, is hosted on the domain example.com. The image is loaded from silesiasecurity.lab.com. So we've got two different domains. Cool. So this problem should happen, and now I'm going to show you how you can check on your own if this problem happens in the web application or not. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go to the network tab right now. In the DevTools, you've got also the network tab, and network tab is really cool because in the network tab, you can just see the outgoing requests from the browser. And this is exactly what I want to do. So I want to reload this web page. So this is like clicking the password reset link again from the mailbox. I'm going to reload it, and I'm going to observe the outgoing requests from the browser. So let me do it. And that's why I'm using network tab in the DevTools. So let me reload it. Right? And cool. You see that 4 requests have been sent, 3 requests to domain example.com, and 1 request to domain silesiasecurity.lab.com. And this is the request that was sent to fetch image.png from this domain. So let me now click this request and see the details, right? Because I want to show you the referrer header out there. Let me make it a little bit bigger right now. And yeah, this request, let me go down, and I want to show you the request headers. So as you can see here, the host is silesiasecurity.lab.com. And now let me show you the referrer header. Can you see that? What we've got in the referrer header is the password reset link. Example.com/reset.php token and the value of my password reset token. So my password reset token, my password reset link has been automatically disclosed to the external domain at the time of fetching the image from the external domain. This is how it works. Now I believe that this is clear, and now you also know how you can check if this problem exists in the web application. So you can go, take your program, take the web application, and now just follow the steps, and you can find out whether this problem happens or not. So this is how it works. You see that this is a really severe problem, and yeah, very nice bug. This is basically it in this demo. I believe that everything is clear. I hope that you like it. So let me right now jump to the second bug from our list.